Now, it's 6 in the evening, showtime. Troops are arriving. We had to just get the show started. Then, being behind the lens and being behind the camera and watching watching performances and trying to capture performances, you get to a certain extent, as much as there's a technical part involved, where this camera needs to pan now, this needs to do, this needs to happen. But you get to see a side of the show most people don't see. You get to see the soul of the show, and you get to notice things. To me, I was blown away, because with almost next to nothing, this bunch of guys in the middle of nowhere put up, I'll say, one of the greatest African theater, not theater in a sense, but theater shows ever. Is stories told in form of robotics. It's even as someone who doesn't understand the TV language, I was able to see what these people were doing, and I'll go, oh wow, so that was what this means. That's what this means. That's what this is in this culture. You see, Kwagh, in a sense, is what the guys in the old, was what the thief ancestors and the thief people used to be able to tell stories in the community. They used to be able to teach, and teach, lead by example, tell stories, let people know this is what's happening, and also to be able to provide a form of entertainment and education for the people, which to me is incredibly important. I've never seen anything that raw in that form, and I was literally in awe. I was like, wow. I never believed this was gonna happen like this. Like, I'm like, wow, this is incredible stuff.